Here, let me help you open it. Don't rip the bag, honey.
Mia, go look at what you got.
It's the bunny head. Come here. Come here. Yeah.
Look!
Show Daddy. Show. Whoa.
Look, a big box of Tootsie Rolls.
Oh my gosh, we're going to do all those Easter stuff.
What'd you get, Michael?
Meow.
Binoculars.
This one.
Whoa.
And the bunny, give bunny a hug. Look at Daddy, say hi. See?
Oh! It even works in the house.
Binocular, real binocular. Oh, look at that. Yeah. This. A bubble.
What is that, Michael?
This.
Kitten.
Whoa, you got binoculars?
You got your little tutu Easter basket. How cute is that, Mia? Look. It's fun.
Mommy!
Say hi to Grandma and Granddaddy and Pawpaw.
Sasha. Say
And
hi.
Sasha.
Say cheese.
And Angie.
Bubbles.
It's a laser one. It's a color laser bubble. It says loud and sound. Oh, wow. It's a, yeah.
Let me see that, Michael.
It's a light.
Ooh, it's a laser bubble gun.
Yeah.
Whoa,
Whoa, look at the goodie. Oh, look at that candy.
that's so cool.
It's a binocular, a real binocular for... Oh,
Hey, I got a sign candy.
oh, wow. This one has necklace, bracelet, ring.
Mia, where's your pants?
Here, man, look. You got a bag. Here, look at this. Let's see this print. Look at this, Mia, look. Ah, you got a necklace.
Mia, look. Mia, say cheese.
A purse.
Can you go open
Mia, look, say cheese. Let her do it. Mid. Or Mia.
open it?
Mia, say cheese. Mia, look at me. Say cheese.
Look at Daddy.
I opened the plastic off of this.
Yeah, pretty.
I opened the plastic off of
Yeah,
this.
first this.
I opened the plastic off of this.
Pretty.
Yeah.
Pretty. Yeah.
Look at me, Michael. Say cheese. Say happy Easter.
Happy
It's the
Easter.
next brother. Here, look at purse.
Ooh.
Look, you can put that in here. Look, that's it. That's it. See a purse?